For the demo purpose, I have been taken one example here about I'm writing a essay, or we say a blog related to 10 best pre-office management tool to be learned to make your life easier in 2020. Okay, this is a heading of the my blog. Okay, and this is a content I have, and I have started writing a content, but it is not looking that attractive. Okay, I have been not used a formatting technique here. Okay, that's why to make it attractive, in the sense make it content with a clear heading to be in a bold. Okay, some of them should be underlined, somewhere we need to highlight. Okay, these things we have to do, right, to make it more attractive. To do that one, we are using some of the formatting tools available in a docs. Okay, which are those first, for example, this is nothing but my heading of the data. So my heading should be in a bold, as well as it need to be much more larger in size. The font size should be larger, and font should be in a different. I just wanted to do that one. Here in a quick access toolbar, you can able to see here normal text. By default, whatever you are typing, it will be in a normal text style. Okay, some other styles also available. The predefined formats are there. By default, it will be selected a normal text. For example, if you like to make it a title, so you can select this one. Okay, so it will become a title, in the sense the font size as well as a font, everything bold, everything is applied, and the color has been changed. Okay, everything has been applied by default. For example, you are not liking that particular thing. Okay, you would like to create your own. Then what you can do, you can go to the normal text itself. Okay, no need to select a already defined formats like title, subtitle, heading, yes, say heading 2, heading 3, like that. No need to select. Then you go with the normal text here. If you like to create in a I would like to change the font. I don't want Arial. I want a Times New Roman. So I will select here Times New Roman. So many fonts are available. You can select which will be attractive for your document. We'll select a Times New Roman. Okay, Times New Roman. It will be converted into Times New Roman. Then I would like to change the font size. I would like to keep heading at a 14, font size of 14. So I selected 14. Then I would like to bold, apply a bold. So bold. Okay, if you like to make it italic, little bit slight inclination to the text, then select italic. Okay, I don't want to select italic. If you like to make it underline, you can make it underline by selecting a underline here. You can observe that whichever you have been selected, they are highlighted in a blue color, in the sense they have been the background also changed. Okay, if you are deselect that one, okay, underline has been gone. And next it comes to a color of the text. Okay, text color we can apply whichever the color you would like to choose. You can choose the text color. Okay, text color also we can choose, in the sense any of them. If you like to change the basic formatting, like uh, changing a font font size. Okay, first we have to select the data which one you would like to format it. Okay, we have to select the data which one you would like to format. Then we have to start applying a format to that particular one. If you like to copy the same format, if you like to copy the same format to the Microsoft Word, that is a subheading is there. Same format, if you like to copy, then select that one which one you would like to copy, which format you would like to copy, select that one. You can able to see here on a left hand side of the quick access bar. Here for paint is there, paint format is there, right? We have to select that particular option, paint format. We have to select, first we have to select which format you would like to copy, select that one. Then go to a paint paint format, select that one. Then apply, then apply where you would like to paint that same format. If you like to copy, we have to select there. For example, again this format, paint format, I will select this particular option to be formatted with the same color and same font size, everything. Okay, for example, somewhere if you like to highlight the text, okay, I don't want to color, but I would like to highlight that one. Okay, then you can select those text, which one you would like to highlight, click and select, okay, select, then go to a highlighter here, highlight color. Okay, in a formatting itself we have a highlight color here, one pen type of one icon is there. Click on that highlight color and select which color you would like to in which color you would like to highlight. Select that particular color, then the particular text will be highlighted with background will be replaced with that particular color. Okay, this is about a basic formatting. Okay, basic formatting. Okay, like changing a font color, or highlighting a font, or copying a format to the other. Okay, this is about a whenever you have been formatted, you can check here, those have been taken here. Okay, this is nothing but a word. Okay, this is nothing but a Google form. If you click here, directly it will go to the which one you have been considered as a title, right? You have been considered this is a different from your other documents, so that it has been taken to a that particular section directly by using this particular navigation tools. Okay, this is about a basic formatting. We'll learn more about a formatting in a coming videos.